For this example, I'm going to show you one of the fiercest creatures known to man. Wait a second. She doesn't look very fierce. Maybe if we watch these frogs long enough, they'll give us an example of predation. Okay, fine. We won't keep watching the frogs. But I'm sure you guys could think of an example of predation. A frog eating a fly, a cat eating a mouse, a chicken eating a bug, all examples of predation. Our next species interaction is mutualism, where both organisms benefit. And in this example, the bee benefits because it's getting its food, the nectar, from the flowers. The flowers benefit because the bee spreads their pollen around, which helps them to be able to reproduce. Now, isn't this just beautiful? Maybe we should just watch this for a minute. Have you ever tried growing your own tomatoes? If you have, then you might have heard of the tomato hornworm. That's this green caterpillar. But what are all those white things on it? Well, this is a great example of parasitism. You see, a wasp actually lays its eggs inside of the tomato hornworm. Then, the larvae feed on the tomato hornworm and spin their cocoons. And that's what you see on the back of the tomato hornworm there, is their cocoons. This is parasitism because it benefits the wasp, but it harms the caterpillar. The tomato hornworm will eventually die because of these wasps. In this case, the hornworm is called the host, and the wasp is the parasite. Have you ever been walking in the woods and gotten burrs on your clothes? This is an example of commensalism. In this example, the burr is benefiting because I'm transporting its seeds all over the place. But I'm unaffected. I'm not hurt by this. I'm also not helped by this. Doesn't matter to me in the slightest. And that's commensalism. The last species interaction is competition, which could be competition over food, over territory, or over mates. Predation is plus minus. One organism gets food, the other gets eaten. Mutualism is plus plus. Both organisms benefit. Parasitism is plus minus. The parasite benefits, the host is harmed. And commensalism is plus zero. One benefits, the other is unaffected. Competition is minus minus. Both organisms lose out on some resources.